instead of an underbed. You get an outside grill. An eyesore, to say the least. Pull out, and these can slide in and out to different level alternative with just your small little refrigerator. One of the features that we really liked on our camper was the swinging grill. It'll swing back against the tire and makes it very nice to travel. Also has the propane hookup over on this side that hooks right into the rig itself. One of the things that we found that we strongly recommend are these stairs that flip up and down. They've been very handy for us and have no complaints and very satisfied with the quality compared to your standard hanging down steps. And it flips all the way up inside here. And then the feet down here, there's pins that pull out, and these can slide in and out to different levels, and that really helps with adjusting toward different levels, uneven campsites and stuff like that, gravel even. It helps out a lot. One of the options that we were definitely on the fence about was our outdoor kitchen area.
Yeah.
Just because of the loss of space that we do experience in the living room, because the kitchen does take up some space. I feel like underneath the stairs here, this is definitely a good alternative with just your small little refrigerator, outlet for your ice makers and anything else, TV hookup, cable, satellite. And it does cut into their storage here slightly, because ours is definitely a lot bigger, but it's a nice compromise. So I think we should go inside and see what they gain by having the kitchen there instead of on the back slide. And they gained a lot. First thing you gain with not having your outdoor kitchen here is an island. It seems like any model that we've come across that is our length and everything has an island, because it doesn't have this. The TV over here is a very good place instead of over there. Just compromises. We love our outdoor kitchen, we truly do. As far as inside space, I don't know if we would do it again. That's a hard sell to take. And to us, room on the inside, since we're full-timing, is definitely more important than room on the outside.
Ours is nicely hidden.
The control cabinet?
The control cabinet is hidden in our little closet area, where I think it's nice because this is kind of
an eyesore, to say the least.
It is, and you're going to bump it into something you shouldn't.
Right. And just out of sight, out of mind for kids or adults that act like kids or anything of the such. So here's this hidden control cabinet. It's definitely a lot cleaner, and ours was made out of wood like this, so once this door is closed, it's 100% gone.
Another thing that we looked and talked about when picking out our own camper was storage in the bedroom. Now, if you're a weekend camper, not so much needed, but if you're going to be more full-timing, or even more like if you have a spot rented at like an RV park, you might want it. So that would be a big thing to look into. How much storage do you think you're going to need or want? Or what clothes are you willing to get rid of while you are camping to have more storage? So this one's not bad. I guess you have this, but not too much else. Another thing though is the bed normally comes up so that
there's a lot of space.
You get more storage, yeah.
You got some cushions of some kind.
So I mean, that's a nice thing too, to keep your shoes or whatever else you want under there.
One add-on that we're probably going to get into is the luggage rack that'll flip up and then come down. For their full-time travel, there's just a couple clothing totes and different things from spring to summer to winter that we'd like to have along with us, and maybe even just some lawn chairs and different things, but this will be one add-on that we get before we hit the road full-time. Thing that we look for when we look into buying our camper was the overhang of the roofing material coming around the edge. If you look on this R-Pod here, there really isn't any overhang of roofing material at all coming down onto the side itself here. Whereas if you were to go if you look over here, you can see that roofing material.
That's interesting. Yeah, they must not have it here.
The siding, having this fiberglass siding, and then just seeing if you can see the webbing in the fiberglass or not, to tell how many gel coats they put on it. And then more for a weekend warrior friendly model. It's also a lot more lightweight and everything else. You get into this aluminum tinny looking siding, and there's not a lot of quality difference there. The gauges vary a little bit, but not very much. And so yeah, full time, a little more heavy duty with the fiberglass, but aluminum is definitely a good option.
For watching our video today. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our channel.